All right, today we're gonna bring a hydrogen cup. Included with it, it's charging station. If you guys can see that, it's already doing the hydrogen, is increasing the hydrogen gas within the water. It's something that people are actually taking advantage and using it. It increases more of the gas in here. I can't talk about the health or medical reasons that it has. Look it up for yourself. It has a charging station, and the best thing I like about the charging station, you can actually charge a regular phone in here or other devices, iPhone or Droid. That's one of the best things I like about it. Cover it up, and you can see the bubbles bubbling. Now it does have I don't know how it's creating it, but it has a little metal object in the middle that's it's increasing the actually the velocity, and then bringing all the actual bubbles to the top, increasing the hydrogen. So we're gonna let it be here for a while and come back and taste it. I did taste it before. It doesn't have any taste difference or anything like that. It just has more benefits. So all right, so I left it there for maybe a couple minutes. I will say 10 to 15 minutes, all right? And I'm gonna take it out here. I'm gonna smell it. So let's go ahead and zoom out. Let me smell it just the first. It doesn't have a smell at all, so tastes like water. Not bad. It doesn't taste any difference. Um, I love the cup. Don't get me wrong, I love the cup. I'm gonna show you guys the cup as soon as I finish the water. Look at the cup itself. Beautiful handle, made of wood. This is glass, right? Real glass. The only thing is it has that metal object in the bottom that creates the hydrogen. Um, I had it cold, so I'm gonna put another one because I'm thirsty. I'm gonna run it maybe for a little longer. But so far, the best part of this is the cup. Now the lid, it's loose. It's not. You don't need to tie it up or anything. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.